First you have to check if Java is installed. For this, just type Java in the terminal. If it isn't found, it isn't installed. To install Java, you have to go to the Java website. Just Google for it. Go to Windows, download the installer. If the download is ready, click the installer. Click Next, Next. Close the window. Now Java should be installed. So now Java is installed, you can download the paper.jar. Open your browser. Go to paper.jar. Go to Downloads. And download the newest version. Create a new folder on your computer. Copy the paper.jar in this folder. Rename it to paper.jar. Open a text editor. To the first line, write @echo_of. In the second line, write java-xms, then the amount of gigabytes you want. This is 4 gigabytes. -jar, and then paper.jar, the name of the jar we downloaded, and then nogui, so that there is no GUI started. Then save this file into the created folder with the name start.bat. This is a simple batch file. Now create a new file called Eula.txt. Open this file. Write Eula equals true. Save the file. And now you're ready to start the server. Now the server is prepared in the background. You can now start your Minecraft client. You can now add a new server with the server address localhost. Now you can connect to the server. Now you can see I joined the server. And if I write something in chat, you can see in the terminal. I can make myself to an operator. To stop the server, just simply type stop in the terminal. If you want to change something like the server's MOTD or the count of users that can join the server, you have to edit the server.properties file. In this file, you can configure the server, here the maximum players. I can set it to everything I want. And for example, I can change the MOTD to HATBase server. Now I can just simply save the file and start the server again. So if I now refresh, you can see HATBase server.